I'm very excited today because we are bringing this personal makeup tutorial to an end. My ladies are going to be slaying henceforth, slaying to the business hall, to the classroom, slaying everywhere. Watch out, guys. Dinner is going to be on another level because my ladies are going to come out hot, hot, hot. If you are new on this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification button because we are going to be dropping it juicy, hot, juicy, hot, juicy, juicy, juicy. Let's get right into the video. All you really need is a flat brush to help you outline your lips and then a very fluffy brush to help you blend. I'll be using this burgundy shade for the outline. There's orange shade at the center, this creamy nude for the center blend, and also white. So yes, 4 lip shades. Let's go! I'm excited. So first things first, I'll be going in with the burgundy shade, making an outline over the top of my lip first and blending as I outline. So just going to do that beautifully. Just make an outline over the edges of your lips at the top and below. At the top and below, just follow your lip size. I'll put up another video about how to get a smaller lip and a bigger lip, but for now we're working with our lip size, so just make a beautiful outline. Next comes the orange shade. So we're just going to pick that with the fluffy brush, as I said, and just blend it into the center of that lip. Looking good already. I'm rethinking it. Yeah, sure, I shouldn't do just 2 colors because what is this beauty? What is this beauty? What is this? Okay, so just blend, 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 blend. The beauty of a good lip application is in a proper blend. That's what makes you stand out from another person who just applies lipstick and just walks away. But think of it though, this is so fine. Just 2 colors. We're quickly going to go into the creamy nude shade. Same process, just pick the shade with the fluffy brush and blend at the center. It's like the more I apply these colors, the more they look really beautiful, and I am reconsidering. Just 3 colors look good already. What do you think, guys? This is really beautiful. So just blend, 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 blend. And finally, the white shade. I know a lot of people may be wondering, what is white doing in a lip combination? Just watch me do it. So I'm picking it with the little flat brush because I need it to stay just at a point, so I don't smear it everywhere using the blending brush. I use the little flat brush and I just apply it at the center, like the innermost corner of the lip, because I need it just at that point. But look at white now doing the most. Just look at it. Blend as usual. Simple and pretty, ladies. Over 4 shades of lipstick, but we still achieved something really mild and beautiful. Goes well with my eye color. We aren't done, my ladies. We still need to glow up and look beautiful. In the very next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to apply your glow subtly but stunning. Watch out.